Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Enzymes used in the recombinant DNA research. So this includes the phosphatase. It is the removal of the 5-phosphate groups prior to the kinase labeling. Next is also used to prevent the self-ligation. Now the DNA ligase. The DNA ligase is joining out DNA molecules. The DNA polymerase next. The DNA polymerase 1, it synthesizes the double-stranded cDNA. Stranded cDNA, and there is a nick translation. There is generation of blunt ends from sticky ends. Then comes the thermostable DNA polymerase. This is a PCR, that is the DNA synthesis. Then comes the DNase 1. This is nick translation, mapping of hypersensitivity sites, and comes the mapping protein DNA interactions. Next is the exonuclease. So exonuclease 3, it is a DNA sequencing, and there is a mapping of the DNA protein interactions. Then comes the exonuclease, it's DNA sequencing and polynucleotide kinase. So this is the 322P end labeling of the DNA and RNA. Then comes the reverse transcriptase. So this is the synthesis of the cDNA from the mRNA. So cDNA from the mRNA and mapping studies. Next is the RNase H. RNase H is synthesis of cDNA from the mRNA. And then comes the S1. The S1 nuclease, it is the removal of the hairpin in synthesis. Hairpin in synthesis of the cDNA and the RNA mapping studies, that is both the 5 and the 3 ends. Then comes the terminal transferase. The terminal transferase is nothing but the homopolymer tailing. Then comes the recombinases. Recombinases, it includes the CRE, the INT and the FLP. So they are generation of the specific chimeric DNA molecules, and the work both in the vitro as well as in vivo. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.